Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright guys, now I want to tell you how to make a flat character in Adobe Illustrator. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ichwan Ahmady Thorieq. You can call me Ichwan. I'm from 7-8B class. My school in Indian boarding school, and I'm from Purwakarta. Now I want to tell you how to make a flat character. First, you can make a head with rectangle tools. You just drag like this, and then choose selection tools, and then drag this until the color is red. And then you can choose the skin. I want this color, and then I want to make the characters is not have hair or bald. And then we can make like this, and then choose selection tools, or can aduh, this double click in here, and then make like this. Wait, is too big. I want to make just a little, and then you make like this. Nah, and then change the color with gray because he is grandpa. And then copy this block, and then paste, and then you click three line in here, flip horizontal like this, drag in there. Now we make eye with ellipse tool. You can choose the color. I'm black like this, and then copy, Command C, Command V, this. You can choose another color, and then you can make a head different with this. And then I want to make bird with wait sorry, you can make again. We can make a bird with this ellipse tool, and then choose direction tools, and double click in here in this anchor, and then click delete. Then choose selection tool and like this, and then change the color with a dropper, and then like this. And then I want make nose with rectangle tools. Make just little, and then choose direction tools, then zoom, then drag red until the color is red, and then choose a red color. This is a nose. You can choose another color, like this. Now I want to make ears with ellipse tool, like this. Make just little, and then choose directions tools, double click in here, delete, and then you click in here, and use in eyedropper, just this color to put in here, and then click copy and paste, and then you click three line in here and flip horizontal. And then now I want to make a neck with rectangle tools. Then put in here, and then if a neck in front, and if you want to make a neck in backward, you just select the block, and then right click, and then go arrange, and then send to back, and this block in back. Now I want to make a body like this with rectangle tools. And then you can fill the t-shirt whatever to you, the color. I'm one red, and then drag this until like this, and then now we can make a arm. And now double click shift and click in here and click in here, and then like this. Select this and select this, drag. Nah, it's too big, and I wanna, and then change the color. Use this eyedropper and select this, and then if you wanna rotate the block, you can choose rotate tool, click, and then click in here. You can rotate the block, and then you put in here, and then you right click in the block, and then arrange send to back. Sorry if it's noisy, because in front of my home there is a night market. And then copy the arm, and then flip horizontal. And then right click in here, and then arrange send to back. And then now we make a leg. I want make a jeans pants. Right click and arrange send to back, and copy, Control V or Command C, and then right click, arrange send to back. I'm wanna pants is wanna the color is blue. And now I want to use pen tool for the pens. This just the color. This. You can make different with this, but I won't make it like this. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.